The 14th question says that find the absolute maximum and minimum values of the function f given by fx equals cos square x plus sin x. How will we deal with this function? Let's take the derivative. F prime x is equal to 2 cos x. The derivative of cos x is minus sin x plus the derivative of sin x is simply cos x. Okay. Can we take out something common? Yes, cos x will come out common, and what you're remaining left with is 1 minus 2 sin x. Actually, this term minus this term over here. Okay. And if this derivative equals 0, this tells me that either cos x equals 0 or 1 minus 2 sin x equals 0. That tells me sin x equals 1 by 2. Okay. Cos x equals 0 in this interval will tell me that x equals simply pi by 2. What happens for sin x equals 1 by 2? If sin x is equal to 1 by 2, x will be equal to, in the first quadrant and second quadrant, there will be two possible values of x. X will be equal to, one of the values is pi by 6, the other value is pi minus pi by 6, which is 5 pi by 6. Okay, so these are the critical points over here. Yes, I have pi by 2, I have pi by 6, I have 5 pi by 6 as well, and obviously the end points 0 and pi are also important over here, right? And these critical points are important because the absolute maximum and absolute minimum values will occur at these points only. So let's find the values. F of 0 is cos square 0, cos 0 is 1. This is 1 square plus sin 0, which is 0. This is 1. What is f of pi by 6? Let's find that value. F of pi by 6, cos of pi by 6 is what we are interested in. Cos pi by 6 is root 3 by 2, and you square it, this becomes root 3 by 2 and it's a square, plus sin pi by 6. What is that? 1 by 2. This becomes 3 by 4 plus 1 plus 2 by 4, right? Plus 1 by 2 by 4 is 5 by 4. This is what you'll get. F of pi by 2, what is that equal to? So f of pi by 2 is equal to cos pi by 2, which is 0. This is 0 square plus sin pi by 2, which is 1. This is overall 1. What about f of 5 pi by 6? This is equal to what? Cos of 5 pi by 6. That is minus of root 3 by 2. But you have a square plus sin 5 pi by 6 is 1 by 2, and this again becomes this 5 by 4 over here. What about f of pi? F of pi is equal to what? Cos pi, that is minus 1, and its square is this, plus sin pi is 0, this is equal to 1. Okay, so you get minimum 1. This is the minimum value, right? So absolute minimum value is 1, and the absolute maximum value out of these you can clearly observe is 5 by 4, which occurs at this point. Similarly, minimum occurs at these few points over here. That's the complete solution and the final answer of this question, as you can see behind me.